All right, here we go with start number 3, and we just let it warm up to about operating temperature, which will be around 150 to 170 degrees or so, and just revving it gently. And we keep an eye out to make sure there's no leaks anywhere or nothing obvious. We'll obviously retighten all the fasteners along, the engine, the crankcase, and all that. We'll just make sure everything is snug to factory specs, and then we'll cruise around, and shift through the gears and all that on it, and she should be ready to go. So here we go, fired up, crank number 3. Now I've noticed, when the All the seals relating to the transmission are brand new. It takes them a little while to break in because you notice how the back wheel would spin a little bit even in neutral, and that's pretty normal, especially when you're using brand new seals all around the transmission. So it'll need to be ridden a little bit for that to loosen up, but that's pretty much and then just go ride it around gently, you know, just go shift through the gears pretty gently, you know, for about, you know, a good 10 or 15 minutes or so if you can. I know everyone else has their own method of breaking in an engine and transmission and all that, but that's how we usually do it and always have good success with it. But she is sounding good, man. I don't even want to tell you how long this project took because it sounds ridiculous, but you know, when you have when you have work to do and a life and a lady in your life and all that, you know, you can't always be working on this thing every free moment you have. I'm sure some of you understand that. But looking good, sounding good, man. So pleased. Anyway, yeah, check through our other videos. We got all kinds of good videos on stuff that we did to this bike, as well as what all is on it. And as you can see from here, it's got a lot on it. And anyway, so that'll be it for now. Happy Super Bowl Sunday to you guys who follow the NFL, and make sure you scroll through our channel. We got all kinds of stuff, you know, over 1,500 videos of things, from anything relating to stuff that has an engine, as well as stuff around the house, working on cars, trucks, lawnmowers, chainsaws, you know, the home furnace, whatever, just all kinds of stuff. Look through our channel and you'll find some things you might like. Anyway, Biker Dave signing off. This is Mr. White, the bike is called. He used to be named Blue, but since we did the transformation to him, he is now called Mr. White. And that's it. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you.